Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make time pass at home. First, dive into a new hobby. Perhaps try painting or learning a musical instrument. Next, get active with a 30-minute home workout to boost your energy. Consider learning a new skill online, like coding or a foreign language, expanding your horizons. Finally, tackle that organizing project you have been putting off, like a closet or pantry, for a sense of accomplishment. Cultivate your creative side by writing a short story or journaling for 20 minutes each day. Embrace mindfulness with a 10 to 15-minute meditation session, helping to calm your mind. Explore new culinary adventures by cooking a new recipe, perhaps from a different culture. Or immerse yourself in a craft project, like knitting a scarf or building a model, for a rewarding experience. Expand your knowledge by reading a book from a new genre for at least 1 hour. Stay connected with loved ones through video calls or by playing online games together. Discover something new by watching a documentary or an educational series. You could also dedicate a few hours to volunteering remotely for a cause you deeply care about, making a positive impact. Prioritize relaxation and self-care to rejuvenate your mind and body. Indulge in a long, warm bath with essential oils for 30 minutes to unwind. Listen to calming music or an engaging podcast to soothe your senses. Incorporate 20 minutes of gentle stretching or yoga into your routine. Most importantly, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night for optimal well-being.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.